Hello children, good morning to you all. So today in our GK session we'll start with chapter 26, that is Nobel laureates. The Nobel Prize is widely regarded as the most prestigious award given for the achievements in various fields. So in this we have to write down the names of the Nobel laureates with the help of clue box. Okay, let's start with the first one. It is the United Nations largest humanitarian organization addressing hunger and promoting food security. It has been honored with the Nobel Prize for Peace 2020 for its role towards contributing better conditions for peace in conflict affected areas. Name? Yes, it's a World Food Program, or you can say in a short form WFP, means World Food Program. Let's see the next one. Second is the Nobel Prize 2020 in literature was awarded for her poetry. She is the first female poet to win the prize since Wisława Szymborska in 1996. She has won the major literary awards of US such as National Book Award, Pulitzer Prize, National Humanities Medal, Boligen Prize and National Book Critics Circle Award. She is Louise Gluck. Louise Gluck was born in New York City and raised on Long Island. She began to suffer from anorexia nervosa while in high school and later overcome the illness. The third one is the Nobel Prize for Chemistry 2020 has been awarded jointly to the duo for development of a method for genome editing. The scientists have developed the gene editing technique called CRISPR-Cas9 snipping scissors. They both of them are Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna. Okay, they both are Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer A. Doudna. Charpentier and American biochemist Jennifer Doudna of the University of California were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the development of a method for genome editing. This was the first science Nobel ever won by two women alone. Okay, let's see the fourth one. The Nobel Prize 2020 for Physics has been awarded jointly to this trio for their research on black holes. One of them was honored for the discovery that black hole formation is robust prediction of theory of relativity. The other two have been honored for the discovery of supermassive object at the center of Milky Way galaxy. They were Andrea M. Guz, Roger Penrose and Reinhard Genzel. The three of them were first one Andrea M. Guz, Roger Penrose and the third Reinhard Genzel. Let's see the fifth one. The Nobel Prize 2020 for Medicine or Physiology has been jointly awarded to the trio scientists for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. They have made a decisive contribution to the fight against blood-borne hepatitis, a major global health problem. The three of them were Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice and Michael Horton. Three of them were Harvey J. Alter, Charles M. Rice and third one Michael Horton. Okay, last one is sixth. The Nobel Prize for Economics 2020 was awarded jointly to the duo for improvements to auction theory and also for inventing new auction formats. The prize is also called Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel. They were they they both on they both of them were Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson. They both of them were Paul R. Milgrom and Robert B. Wilson. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.